How to pitch an idea to your manager. Make your idea stand out. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Corporate Chaoos. Ever had a brilliant idea at work, but felt unsure how to present it to your manager? Don't let that innovation stay hidden. This video will equip you with the strategies to confidently pitch your ideas and get them heard. Before you even start crafting your pitch, take a step back. Understanding your manager's priorities and the overall company culture is crucial for success. What are your manager's key performance indicators, KPIs? What kind of projects are they most excited about? Tailoring your idea to align with their goals will significantly increase your chances of getting a positive response. Consider the company's values and risk tolerance. Is your organization innovative and open to new ideas, or more conservative and focused on established processes? Adjust your pitch accordingly. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. Crafting a pitch that grabs attention and leaves a lasting impression. A well-structured pitch is key to conveying your idea effectively. Start with a clear and concise problem statement. What issue are you trying to solve? Why is it important to address this problem now? Next, present your solution in a way that's easy to understand. Avoid technical jargon and focus on the benefits of your idea. How will it improve efficiency, reduce costs, or increase revenue? Data speaks volumes. Backing up your idea with solid research and data will make your pitch much more persuasive. Gather relevant statistics, case studies, or industry trends that support your claims. Quantify the potential impact of your idea whenever possible. Present your data in a clear and visually appealing format. Charts, graphs, and infographics can help your manager quickly grasp the key takeaways. No idea is perfect, and your manager will likely have questions or concerns. Anticipating these objections and preparing thoughtful responses is essential. Think about potential challenges or drawbacks of your idea. Be honest and transparent about these limitations. Develop solutions or mitigation strategies to address these concerns. Showing that you've thought through the potential obstacles will demonstrate your commitment and preparedness. Practice makes perfect. Rehearsing your pitch beforehand will help you feel more confident and deliver your message effectively. Pay attention to your body language. Maintain eye contact, use confident gestures, and speak clearly and enthusiastically. Record yourself practicing and identify areas for improvement. Get feedback from a trusted colleague or mentor. Timing is everything. Selecting the right time and place to pitch your idea can significantly impact its reception. Consider your manager's schedule and workload. Avoid pitching your idea when they are stressed or preoccupied. Choose a setting that is conducive to a productive conversation. A quiet meeting room or a one-on-one coffee break might be ideal. Don't be discouraged if your manager doesn't immediately approve your idea. Follow up and stay persistent, but be respectful of their time and decision-making process. Send a thank you note after your pitch, reiterating the key benefits of your idea. Offer to provide additional information or answer any further questions. If your idea is rejected, ask for feedback and learn from the experience. Use this feedback to refine your approach and improve your future pitches. Pitching an idea to your manager can be daunting, but with the right preparation and approach, you can significantly increase your chances of success. Remember to understand your manager's priorities, craft a compelling pitch, support your idea with data, anticipate objections, and practice your delivery. Share this video with your colleagues, and let's build a culture of innovation together. Subscribe to our channel for more career-boosting tips and strategies.